What's good, YouTube? It's Boy White now back with another video. Yes, sir. Today we vlogging, as you can read by the title. We at the skate park, you know what I'm saying? Shay Baby, oh shit. Shay Baby in the cut.
Yo, what's good? We for the skate.
DJ Danger. Hey, we out here though. We out here. But yeah, man. My dog Bryce, you know what I'm saying, that invited us to the skate park. So we finna go skate and check it out. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy White. We out. Shay Baby with the skateboard. Let me see the skateboard, bro.
Yeah, it's gummy bears.
Come on, kid. You got you a skater tonight, you know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna try to be.
Yes, sir. It's good. Right, so let's get it. We about to go skate. Hey, how we get in here, though? Hey, yo, how we get in here? They just left us like that. They just left us like that. That's crazy. It's cause we black. What happened?
Regular skate or what?
Hey, we can't skate, fam.
So what, you want to start over here? There's just a lot of kids out
I'm
here.
not scared. I'm just taking a picture.
I mean, you could try.
What's that
We
for?
could try some shit.
At least it's not packed. That's what I'm saying.
What? This is not packed? This nigga said it's not packed. Like, why are you so far? You skated yet?
I don't skate.
You don't skate?
I don't watch the skaters.
You just watch the
I
skater?
just like to watch the skaters bust it.
Alright, come on, bro. Show me something for my camera.
Alright, I'm about to bust it though. Don't do it.
Hey, them boys is out here. Oh.
Yeah, because it's the smallest thing here. I mean, I can try to hit that thing, but that shit.
You can't go down there. I'll probably try to go down that shit. This nigga's not even recording. Look at him. He's the worst recorder ever. Hey, when I blow up, I'm gonna hire somebody. Oh nah. You tweaking. You know what I'm saying? You could go in this? You're gonna try? Yeah, make sure you catch that thing. Yo, make sure you catch that. This nigga is tweaking.
I think he's talking about over there. He's talking about right here. Alright, zoom.
This nigga is lit. Bro, your turn.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, show
I'm
me
trying
what
to
you
take
got.
some pictures. I'm patiently waiting.
Yo, di pizza them. Di pizza man. Pizza man. Nah, these niggas flying, man. These niggas flying.
Coming here
Every day?
Let's go to this. Actually, no, I'll try.
That was good.
I do kickflip after that,
Alright. Oh. That boy almost died. Y'all saw that? Look at this one. Look at this one. He's supposed to be skating. Oh shit. that wasn't it. That wasn't it.
You know what? I'm gonna try to 180.
You gonna do a 180? I don't know what that is. Bro, at least take pictures with the board.
Not up here and I roll into the fucking pool.
Nah, I saw it. I saw it. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Got it. I got it.
Where you run?
Oh, no, that ain't it. But yeah, man. Not a skater, but we out here. We out for the skate, bro? Let me
What?
see the skateboard, bro. Let me see the skateboard, bro. Hold this, bro. Man, I'm about to skate, man.
This one. Wong, wong, wong.
Hey, go to that small ramp over there. I can do that one.
What's this man? Look at
Almost died. You see that? I almost died.
all you had to do was kickflip, bro.
I almost died.
Yo, all you gotta do is kickflip, fam. You would've,
I jumped. Left the board. The board
you'd have been good. You could have been good.
How you catching?
Not what I need.
All right, Kyle, go. Go. Come on, Kyle.
Yep. Not.
You got. Sit it in there, Kyle.
Yeah, I can't go on.
Where you at?
So when my trucks go over this and then come back down,
Oh. Okay. I got you. Blast.
But yeah, bro, we out here. I'm sweating. Y'all saw me skating? I forgot I could do that. We'll take a skate. What you mean? He's scared. You're not gonna skate?
I didn't. I was skating.
Where are you skating?
I'm gonna show you guys some pictures I took too.
We don't want to see them pictures. So we're going where? We're going where? Key Biscayne? Key Biscayne. We're going to Key Biscayne to abandoned what? It's abandoned what?
It's the abandoned marina. That's how it's called.
Oh, marina? Abandoned marina. How the fuck I ended up coming here?
Are you ready for that, dude?
That's what I was about to say. Are you ready? We'll see. You been there before?
Let's see how the vibe is.
So we're about to go to abandoned marina.
Marina.
And keep it clean.
Sounds lit. I like the water. So, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, you looking up right now. You gonna see.
Mosquitoes are out.
What? I thought
Mosquitoes
I
are out.
was doing that shit.
Nah, just the 1 year old. So we can see how far it is. Oh shit, it's only 3 miles away? It's only 3 miles away.
8 minutes.
We'll definitely do that. Yeah.
Alright. So let's see what happens.
You don't fuck that. Me? Look here. When I tell you across the water, we have to go.
It's an island.
It's an
I
island,
see a
fam.
crab. I saw a crab crawling across the fucking street last time I went there, literally, like on the street.
I believe you, yeah. No, look where it is.
Yeah.
So you ready for this marina?
No.
Yo,
I'm kidding.
definitely should have wore a ball.
Man, I got sweat in my eye. Fuck.
Now I'm thinking about it. Because,
I'm hot though. If I wear long pants, I would be great.
I think I thought you were a mosquito.
Man, y'all stay tuned, man. Trying to kill me already. Yeah, man. Your boy is skater out here. I like over here.
I don't know if I'll be able to. I want to try though.
What you think, bro? You You can skate right here, bro. I like it. Right here is easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go. I'm about to do a skate.
Alright, Carl.
It's like a jungle out here.
What you said?
It's not for me.
Not for you?
Out here. He almost landed there. Almost. But shout out to who said, no mosquito bite up big. We out. Straight. I'm saying we about to go see the abandoned. Oh, dang, I missed it. But abandoned marina. Man, that bitch. Do it.
I can't do it.
I mean, you can do it, but I can't do it. Maybe not today, tomorrow. Yeah, that shit. That shit do not smell good.